Hello everyone, welcome to Rash channel. Our recipe for today is pineapple chicken in coconut milk. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe and click the bell icon. And here's the ingredients. Half a kilo of chicken wings and thighs, crushed garlic, ground salt and pepper, bay leaves, tomatoes, onion, carrots, red and green pepper, frozen peas, pineapple chunks, fish sauce, coconut oil, and coconut milk, and also pineapple juice. Let's add the coconut oil into the pan onto medium heat. Add the chicken to the pan and cook it until slightly golden brown. Now set the meat aside for later. Add the onion for 30 seconds. Then add tomatoes for another 30 seconds. Add the garlic and cook it for another 30 seconds as well. Put the cooked meat and mix them thoroughly. Pour the pineapple juice, then mix and boil for 15 minutes. And cover with the lid. Then now, after 15 minutes, we will add the pineapple chunks and cook it for 5 minutes. Cover it. After 5 minutes, we will add the coconut milk and then we add the bay leaves, then salt and pepper. Leave it to boil for 3 minutes. Cover it with the lid. Now add the fish sauce for more flavor. Then add the carrots and we will cook it again for about 8 minutes until the carrots is softened. Cover with the lid. After 8 minutes, let's add the red and green pepper. Mix it well. Then add the green peas and we will cook it for another 3 minutes or so until the sauce is thickened and the vegetables are softened. Here it is. The aroma of all the ingredients is mouth-watering. The pineapple chicken in coconut milk is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy watching this simple and delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again soon.